Hello everybody and thank you for being here. Today I'm going to show you how to apply false eyelashes for beginners. So if you want to see how I do it, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I want to start by saying that there are different types of eyelashes. The ones that are very natural looking and then the ones that are really strong and very full eyelashes that look super pretty. Those are the ones that we like, that I like at least. So anyway, and the difference is in my opinion, I think the ones that are more natural looking are easier to put on, and I think the reason is because, let me show it to you so that you can see better or understand better what I'm trying to say. See this eyelash right here? See the bang here at the bottom? It's really nice and thin, and because it's thin, that in my opinion is gonna make it easier to mold or to take the shape of your eye, versus the ones that are dramatic looking ones like this one. See, you can see the bang right here is very thick, and those ones in my opinion are harder because since the bang right here is thick, they are stick. So instead of molding to your eye or trying to copy the shape of your eye, they stay like that, and you have to work on them a little more so that they, try to take the shape of your eye. So, but really the technique or the concept is the same, how we glue the eyelash. Now when it comes to the eyelash glue, you can use whichever glue you want, that's fine. I personally like this one, like Duo. And I actually have the two ones, the clear one and then the dark one. The clear one only means that when the glue dries, it will dry clear. And the dark one, all it means that when the glue dry, it will dry black. I personally like to use the clear one for the natural looks, and then the dark one for the dramatic looks, because in the dramatic looks, what I want is intensity, so I have the black eyeliner, and I would like to have the black glue so everything looks nice and dark and intense. So that's what. And also, if I'm in a hurry, I always make sure to use this one, because with this one, if you mess up and got the glue somewhere else, then you have to stop and take your time to clean it up. Versus the clear one, if you mess up, it's not gonna show as much, and even for cleaning it up, the cleaning up is gonna be quick and easy. So I have an eyelash here that is too long for me to wear, so I have to cut them. And see, you have here, they start very little here and keep growing until you got here to the end where you have the longest ones, the longest eyelashes. So when we cut them, when we cut the eyelash, this is the corner that I'm gonna cut. I am not gonna cut from here because then it's gonna look weird in your eyes. And the way I'm gonna know if they are too long for me is easy. Just put it on your eye without any glue. Just put it on your eye, and if you see that they are too long, like these ones are, I hope that you can see they're kind of coming, but they are kind of coming out here a little too much. So that's the much that I have to cut. That's the part I have to cut, that extra. Now I'm going to be applying these eyelashes first, and I wanted to show you how you take them off. Don't just pull it out. Go with your thumb and pull down. I'm going to go with this finger so that you can see through the camera, but I myself like to do it with my thumb. See, pull down very gently. That way you still keep the shape of the eyelashes, because if you just take it out just like this, you might lose the shape or just break your eyelashes, and you don't want that. The glue always takes a long time to dry, in my opinion. For me, it seems like it's forever. So what I like to do to save time is I put the glue like that in whatever container, where whatever you think is good. And I do this when I'm doing my makeup, when I'm halfway through my makeup, and let it dry while I finish my makeup. And for me, the key to to make your false eyelashes glue to your eyes well is to get the glue when it's tacky. That's why I like to do this. So the glue, by the time I'm done with my makeup, will be all ready for me to go and use it. Because if you have a glue that is not tacky, that is just wet, or is 100% dry, then either way it's not gonna work. It's not gonna glue your eyelashes well, and then it's not gonna work out for you. And I always like to apply my false eyelashes with a tweezer. So I'm gonna grab the glue. This is the glue. Okay, I'm gonna grab the eyelash, not the glue, the eyelash. And I'm gonna put the glue on the band. And since I put it in here, I just gonna do it with my finger. See, just like so. And one tip that I can give you is that if you're gonna go out, let's say to a party or something, or just being out for many hours, I myself, something that I like doing when that's gonna happen is to put a lot of glue on the eyelash and then glue it to my eye, because that way I notice that it lasts longer. Because after a while, the eyelash, if you wear it for so many hours, it will start ungluing. See, just place it there. Then with my tweezers, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and try to put it right here, as close as possible where the natural eyelashes start. And then I'm gonna do the same with this other corner. And then once I see that I place the eyelash correctly, I'm gonna go with my tweezers and I'm gonna press together the natural eyelashes and the false eyelashes, and I'm gonna do it right here at the base. See, right here. I'm gonna wait about 15 seconds, and then I'm gonna pull my eyelashes, the false eyelashes, up, because that way my false eyelashes are gonna lift up, and that I think looks pretty cool. So that's why I like to push them up. And you have to push it up before they are totally dry, before the glue is totally dry. And sometimes I just go ahead and hold it for 2 or 3 minutes. Now, as you can see, now that I lift my eyelashes up, it moved my eyeliner a little bit. Not too much this time, but it usually does. So, see, you can barely see the middle part hitting my eyeliner. So that's the part of my eyeliner that I will have to go and retouch. See, I will have to go and make the line there a little thicker in that area so it all looks nice and even. If you are able, you can see the clear eyelash glue there peeking through. So that's another thing that I have to retouch. I have to go with my liner and then retouch. So everything looks black and one single color. See, this is how it looks. Now all I have to do is to put my mascara on and then I will be done. So now I'm going to be applying this one in this side. And one tip that I want to share with you is that in some eyelashes, you can see like a little extra thread there, and in some eyelashes you can pull it up. And if you are able to pull it up without, of course, destroying your eyelash, then the eyelash will be a little more flexible. So for this one, I see that you are able to do that. See, it has a little extra thread there. That's the one I'm gonna be pulling out. But when you do that, make sure to do it with your tweezers, because that way it's easier, and to do it a little at a time, and to hold each part you are pulling. If you are doing it in this side of the eyelash, hold this side, then when you move to this side, hold this side and pull, then hold this side and pull, and hold this side and then pull. Don't just go like you are here right in the corner and then pull it up. No, because then that will destroy your eyelashes. So don't do that. And that helps a little bit to make it more flexible. And with the really full eyelashes, I think, or I like myself to hold the eyelash in this corner right here until the glue dries, or until it's almost dry. And I hope you can see, but do you see how you are able to see the eyeliner here, and here it pretty much disappear? That is because I lifted up the eyelash, so that moved the eyeliner. Now I have to go and retouch it. And I have to cover up the white spots that you see there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. Okay, this is how it looks, a little crazy because I had two different type of eyelashes right now. But this is how I like to put on my false eyelashes. I hope that you like this video. If it's so, please give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and comment. Let me know what is it that you think. Thank you very much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.